Did you know that DNA, the blueprint of life, is so compact that if you unraveled all the DNA in your body, it would stretch to the moon and back multiple times? And speaking of size, a single cell in your body contains more information than all the volumes in a library. The human body is a marvel of biology, with trillions of cells working together in perfect harmony. From the intricate beauty of a butterfly's wings to the complex dance of enzymes in our cells, biology reveals the stunning intricacies of life on Earth. So next time you marvel at nature, remember, the beauty of biology is all around us.